Hey, look! We've got a special inside-out surprise. Oh, look, it's our old pal Joy. And then some. And that's not all. She's also brought a few familiar faces. They fit right in the palm of your hand. Just not all at the same time. Uh-oh. Joy's not looking too happy, and that's her whole thing. Ooh, maybe this Gamebook will cheer her up. Careful, Anger's got a fiery temper. No, really. Here, some ice cream will cool you down. Let's try kiwi. Some strawberry. Top it off with a scoop of lemon. Now let's add a cookie straw. And drown it all in chocolate. Of course, what's ice cream without sprinkles? What's better than a cherry on top? A cookie. Looks like Mr. Hothead's got some brain freeze. Disgust is here to clean things up. Let's start by putting out some fires. Looks like Anger needs another cone. This next one's such a mess, I can't tell who's inside. Guess someone's hiding under the covers. Next up, we're checking Anxiety's room. I see someone's feeling jumpy today. We'll start with a little vacuuming. Now straighten up that table. And the vase belongs in one piece. We're shaking things up today with a fourth room. Oh, what a tangled web we weave. And by we, I mean ennui. Finally, someone gives us a tip. Careful, flowers sometimes have thorns. Also, bees. They sometimes have bees. Good idea, Riley. Plants do need water. And look, there's a few familiar feelings inside. Some fresh-picked emotions are just what we need, too. It's a matching game. Pair each face to its silhouette. No, Disgust goes down there. Envy's up there. Anger finishes up the final row. Just add Joy, and we'll win the big prize. A matching game? With balloons? Yes! Let's play! Ennui? No, a tear doesn't go with her. Sadness. Now that's more like it. This means we can pop her balloon. Next, anger. A phone? We know who that goes with. Fire? Now that goes with anger. We're halfway done.
Wow!
Envy and disgust. Okay, now broccoli and sunshine. Disgust doesn't really like broccoli, but it is green. A ring? Envy would like that. That just leaves joy and sunshine. We got all the memory orbs. Time for a quick blend. Memories always end up blending together. When it comes to Joy, her cup's always full. Quick, Joy, catch all of the bubbles. Be careful. Ah, that's too much. Well, you break it, you buy it. No money? Well then, you get the jar. Either way, I don't think Joy's too happy. And Riley won't be either, unless we save her. A Kinder Joy egg? You think Joy's inside? No, but it might be a clue. A yellow piece of paper. Wait, there's a secret message. Anxiety? We're gonna need anxiety. And Ragatha here's gonna help. Let's start with a little makeover. Soon, you'll be our new anxiety. Now she's got something to show you. Think you should push the button, Riley? Uh-oh, the emotions are all mixed up. Puberty will do that, so let's fix them up. It's easy. Match the colors to each road. Of course, some roads take a few turns. Gesundheit. Oh, it's another matching game. Try to organize the balls by color. Once again, the color's the clue. Match them to each emotion. We're almost done. Ooh, we've won a prize. Transform me? Looks like Kane's getting angry. Looks like we've got to start brick by brick. Now why don't we put on a new face? Ooh, a new wardrobe's in order too. Let's just see how angry he can get. He's flaming mad! You get another prize. And a new game. Ew, Disgust is really living up to her name. Let's get her back to her usual self. Uh-oh, your face has broken out all over. But it's nothing a little mask can't fix. Now for your makeup. Start with lipstick. And we can't forget your mascara. Time for some eye roll warm-ups. You know, this place could use a makeover too. Let's start by taking out the trash. Next, let's clean up all those dust bunnies. And I don't like the look of that fridge slime. Of course, cleaning out the fridge is the best part. Don't tell me you don't like broccoli. Well, that answers that.
Ew, yuck.
Maybe she'll like the apple better. But we'll make it more to her liking. Chop to pieces. Add to a bowl. And add some sugar. 1 lump or 2. Better make it 5. Mix it together. We're making pie filling. I guess the crust can't be too far behind. Start by mixing butter with some flour. Take that batter and knead it into shape. Place the filling inside. Now we'll need to cover it up. Nothing beats a classic cross pattern. Now into the oven it goes until it's golden brown. Wow, done already. Here, have a slice. Or better yet, the whole thing. And here's your prize. Oh, hi, Embarrassment. How are you? Like I had to ask. A nice spin cycle will cheer you up. Uh-oh, he's stuck. And he's deflated too. It's okay. Add to a TP roll and blow it up. And we can draw on a brand new face. Now let's give everyone a good look. Something's coming back up. The next prize. Time to help Sadness pick out some new peepers. While we're here, it's time for a checkup. Uh-oh. Well, let's take a closer look. Oh, wow, Sadness. You've got an egg. Let's keep it comfy while it hatches. And look what's inside, our next prize. Look, it's ennui. No, don't get up. There's a bunch of hidden pieces around here. It's like a puzzle, so we'll have to put them back together. You know, I was wondering why Ennui was lying on the floor. Guess it's time for a little couch nap. In the meantime, let's check out this phone. Hey, look, it's Pomni! And Hello Kitty! Ooh, A's here too! And last but not least, it's our final prize. We've got them all! So give them a good shake. Now twist the dial to let them all out. We can use them for Joy's new game. Get them all inside and we'll get the key we need. That should take care of the lock. And we'll take care of those chains. Don't worry, Joy, you're almost out of there. Yeah, this should put a smile on your face, both of yours. Ooh, what a cool device! Let's try it out. It's time for a memory orb to go for a ride. Wow, it's like their very own roller coaster. Of course, every journey comes to an end. It rolled into our Gamebook. Open it up. Oh, it's Riley's 13th birthday. You know what that means. Riley's a teen. We'll get things ready for all your new emotions. We don't want to rush things. Uh-oh, I think we rushed things. Riley's emotions have all gone missing. Next up is Sadness. Let's pick up a pair of peepers. Red eyes don't really fit her whole color scheme. So let's fix things right at the source. This blue goo at least matches the decor. But I think we should ditch all those bugs. Some eye drops should clear things up. Now let's show off your baby blues. And we've got our old Sadness back. Next, we'll need to make an avatar. Green hair's nice, but it's not really you. Much better. Now, let's pick out a face. No, we need something more cheerful. The final touch is something to wear. Ah, the classic look. I'm seeing double. Make that triple. Welcome back. Our next game is going to be a day at the beach. Look, it's Fear! Well, part of him anyway. Oh, there's his pants. And look, his eyes. We can't forget the torso. And the squiggle on top. Well, let's hang everything up to dry. Good. Now let's put him back together. All that's left is a little shock to his system to wake him up. Anger sure can get a little hot-headed at times. I know. Let's pick his brain for any hot thoughts. Just a little brain surgery. Not like it's rocket science. Feeling better? Thanks for the mini-me. Ooh, looks like Envy wants a makeover. Why don't we start from scratch, Cinderella? Let's check the closet. Ooh, how about a Pomni costume? Nah, let's wait until the circus is in town. Talk about updating your wardrobe. How about the mermaid look? Not bad, but not quite. You know, it's fun changing your look now and again. But you just can't beat a classic look. Of course, we could still comb that hair. Oh, and don't forget her hair clips either. Oh, things are really coming together. These three look alike, but there's only one embarrassment. Let's try this one. Oh, hey, it's a Mario. How about this one? Are we sure he's even here? There he is. It's always the last place you look. Next up, Anxiety's deciding on what to eat. Unfortunately, the pantry's all bare. Well, I guess we can always order out. Uh-oh! Well, there's no use crying over spilled burgers. We'll just have to put everything back together. Why don't we add some special toppings of our own? It looks just like Anxiety. Hope she likes food with her face. And she's just anxious to rejoin the team. Ooh, we need to straighten out this mess. Wait a minute, it's hair. Let's try out a trim. It's ennui. Here, why don't you try out a nice facial mask? Now, how about we resume the trimming? Next up, you might feel a slight pinch. But at least you can breathe again. Some contacts will really brighten up those eyes. How about some mascara and lipstick while we're at it? We're almost done. Let's end things with a quick brush over. We've got back all of Riley's emotions. This should help bring the colors back into her world. Riley's already looking as good as new. Which means we can cut into that cake. The birthday girl gets the first slice. Treat yourself, Riley. It's a party. Okay, maybe we overdid it. Let's check those teeth. Don't worry, it's nothing a good cleaning won't fix. Besides, you're just in time for your new braces. Just run a wire right through it. Let's just double check. Now that really adds some sparkle to your smile. With Joy here, you'll get a lot of smiling practice.